If you've been noticing that your legs feel weaker than they used to, you're not alone. As we get older, our legs are often the first place where we lose strength. And here's something important to know. Once that weakness begins, it can lead to poor balance, unsteadiness, and a higher chance of falling. And falls are one of the biggest health risks for older adults. But there's good news. With the right foods, you can rebuild strength, improve your balance, and keep your legs strong for years to come. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 important foods that help strengthen your legs, protect your ability to move around, and help you stay independent longer. Each of these foods is full of nutrients that support muscle strength, improve circulation, and help prevent stiffness, so you can keep moving with confidence as you age. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last food is one that many people forget about, but it can really make a big difference in how steady and strong your legs feel. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any helpful videos. And if you find this video helpful, please type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I can keep improving our content to better serve you. All right, let's get started. Food 1. Salmon, the muscle superfood. One of the best foods for keeping your legs strong is salmon. Now you might be wondering, what does fish have to do with leg strength? The truth is, as we age, our muscles break down more quickly than they build up. And if your body isn't getting the right nutrition, that muscle loss can happen even faster. That's where salmon comes in. It's full of high-quality protein and healthy omega-3 fats. These nutrients help your muscles stay strong, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood flowing properly, all of which are important for strong, steady legs. Have you ever woken up with stiff legs or felt like your knees don't move as easily as they used to? That could be because of inflammation and slow muscle recovery. The omega-3 fats in salmon help reduce that inflammation, ease joint pain, and support muscle healing. And the protein in salmon helps your muscles grow and stay strong. Let me tell you about George, age 72. He used to think that just walking every day was enough to keep his legs in shape. But over time, his steps got shorter, his legs felt weak, and he started to feel unsteady when standing up. His doctor told him that without enough protein and omega-3s, his muscles weren't recovering properly. Let me tell you about George, age 72. He used to think that just walking every day was enough to keep his legs in shape. But over time, his steps got shorter, his legs felt weak, and he started to feel unsteady when standing up. His doctor told him that without enough protein and omega-3s, his muscles weren't recovering properly. So George made one simple change. He started eating salmon twice a week. In just a few weeks, he noticed he felt steadier on his feet, his legs felt stronger, and the stiffness started to ease. If you don't eat salmon regularly, you could be missing out on one of the best ways to support your legs. And if you don't like salmon, don't worry. Other fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, or trout can give you the same benefits. The key is getting enough protein and omega-3 fats to help your muscles recover, get stronger, and stay active. If your legs have been feeling tired or weak lately, now is a great time to start giving them the nutrition they need. Food 2 is Greek yogurt for strong muscles and bones. One of the biggest mistakes many people make after age 60 is not getting enough protein and calcium. That's exactly where Greek yogurt can help. As we age, our muscles and bones naturally get weaker. That can make our legs feel less steady, more tired, and even put us at higher risk for fractures. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, which work together to strengthen your muscles, support your joints, and keep your bones strong. These are all things your legs need to stay steady and dependable. Here's something many people don't realize. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's absolutely essential for keeping your muscles strong as you age. Greek yogurt is one of the best sources of easy-to-digest protein, which helps your muscles repair and stay firm. And that's not all. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin D. These 2 nutrients keep your bones strong and help prevent them from becoming brittle. Without enough calcium, bones can weaken, making any fall more dangerous. Let's look at Richard, age 70. He thought he was eating pretty well, but over time his legs felt more tired, his knees ached, and he didn't feel steady when walking on uneven ground. His doctor told him he wasn't getting enough protein or calcium, which was weakening both his muscles and bones, so he made a simple change. He started eating a cup of Greek yogurt every morning, sometimes with nuts or berries for extra nutrition. Within just a few weeks, his legs felt stronger, they didn't tire as quickly, and his knee pain improved. Want to check if your leg strength might be slipping? Try standing up from a chair without using your hands. If it's hard or if you feel unsteady, your muscles may need more protein and your bones could use more support. The good news is, Greek yogurt is an easy and tasty way to give your body both. If you don't enjoy it plain, try adding honey, nuts, seeds, or blending it into a smoothie. The important thing is to feed your legs with the nutrients they need to stay strong. If you're still with me and finding this video helpful, please type 2 in the comments so I know you're here. Let's move on. Food 3 is spinach, the circulation booster. If your legs often feel heavy, stiff, or get tired easily, it might be due to poor circulation. One of the best foods for improving blood flow, reducing cramps, and keeping your legs energized is spinach. Spinach is full of nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and natural nitrates. These help relax your blood vessels, deliver more oxygen to your muscles, and reduce muscle spasms, all very helpful for keeping your legs strong and active. You might not think about circulation every day, but it's very important. Your muscles need good blood flow to get the oxygen and nutrients they need. When circulation slows down, your legs can start to feel weak, your joints may ache more, and you might even feel tingling or cramping in your calves. This is why many people over 60 feel heaviness in their legs, not because they're just getting older, but because their muscles aren't getting the oxygen they need. Let's talk about Frank, age 74. He thought his tired, achy legs were just part of aging. But after a visit to his doctor, he found out that poor circulation was actually making his legs feel sluggish and weak. Frank started adding spinach to his meals a few times a week, sometimes in salads, sometimes cooked into eggs, or even blended into a smoothie. Within a month, he felt a big difference. His legs didn't feel as heavy, he had fewer leg cramps at night, and he had more energy during his walks. Here's a quick test. Press down on your lower leg with your thumb for a few seconds, and then let go. If the spot stays indented for more than a couple of seconds, your circulation might be slowing down. The good news is, spinach is easy to add to your meals, whether cooked or raw. It helps muscles work better, reduces inflammation, and keeps your legs feeling lighter and stronger. Food 4 is eggs, the ultimate muscle builder. If there's one food that can help rebuild muscle, improve your balance, and keep your legs strong, it's eggs. They're one of the best sources of high-quality protein, important vitamins like B12 and D, and essential amino acids, all of which help your muscles grow, support your nerves, and keep your bones healthy. Many people think losing muscle is just a normal part of aging. But really, a lot of that muscle loss happens because we're not eating enough foods rich in protein. Eggs are one of the most complete proteins out there. That means they give your muscles all the nutrients they need to stay strong and recover after activity. Eggs also contain choline and vitamin B12, which help your nerves work properly. That's important because strong nerves keep your legs responsive, reduce the risk of falls, and help you move with confidence. Let me tell you about Harold, age 70. He used to have toast and coffee for breakfast and thought that was fine. But after a while, his legs felt weaker, stepping up onto curbs became harder, and he didn't feel as steady as before. His doctor explained that he wasn't getting enough protein in the morning, and that was causing his muscles to break down faster. So Harold made one small change. He started eating 2 eggs for breakfast every day. After just a few weeks, he noticed a big improvement. His legs felt stronger, his energy went up, and he felt more stable when walking. You can try this yourself. Stand on one foot and see how long you can keep your balance. If you have trouble staying steady for at least 10 seconds, your muscles and nerves might need a little more support. The best part is, eggs are quick and easy to make, and they're packed with everything your legs need to stay strong. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelet, they're a simple way to give your muscles the fuel they need. If you're still watching and learning something from this video, please type 4 in the comments to let me know. Now that you know the 4 key foods that can help keep your legs strong, the next step is simple. Start including them in your meals regularly. Weak legs don't happen overnight, and rebuilding strength takes small daily habits that support your muscles, bones, and blood flow. Whether it's protein from eggs and Greek yogurt, better circulation from spinach, or reducing inflammation with salmon, these foods can make a big difference in how steady and strong your legs feel. The most important thing to remember is this: you have control over how your body ages. If you've been feeling weaker, less steady, or like your legs just aren't what they used to be, now is the time to start giving your body the support it needs. Little changes, like eating the right foods and staying active, can add up to a healthier, stronger, and more independent life. So, which of these foods do you already enjoy? And which one will you try adding to your meals? Have you noticed any changes in your leg strength over the years? We'd really love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts mean a lot to us. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Your support helps us keep creating content that informs and encourages you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Subscribe to Aging with Calm for more.